In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find add-ins for OneNote. Understanding how to locate add-ins is essential because they enhance your productivity and streamline your note-taking process. The steps vary depending on whether you are using OneNote on Windows or the web. Let's dive right in. First, if you are using OneNote on Windows, start by opening the application. As it loads, you will see your notebooks displayed. This is your workspace where all your notes and projects reside. Opening OneNote is crucial because it sets the stage for the next actions you will take. Once you are in the application, you'll be ready to explore the options available to you. Next, click on the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. This action takes you to a range of options related to your account and OneNote settings. The File menu is your gateway to customizing and managing your OneNote experience. After clicking File, look for the Options choice in the left sidebar. This will open a new window where you can adjust various settings, including add-ins. In the Options window, select the Add-ins category. This section provides you with a comprehensive view of the add-ins currently installed in your OneNote application. You will see a list detailing each add-in and its status. Reviewing this list is significant because it allows you to understand which tools are already available to you, enhancing your workflow. To manage the installed COM add-ins, look for the Manage drop-down menu at the bottom of the Options window. Click on it, and you will see a few choices. Select COM add-ins from this list. This step is important for those who wish to add more functionality or troubleshoot existing add-ins. After you've made your selection, click the Go button to proceed. Now, if you are using OneNote for the web, the process is slightly different. Start by opening OneNote in your web browser. You can use any modern browser for this, which gives you the flexibility to access your notes anywhere. Once the application loads, navigate to an open notebook. This action allows you to access the content you want to enhance with add-ins. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This area contains various options for enriching your notes. Here, you will find the option for Office add-ins or My add-ins depending on your version. Selecting this option is crucial as it opens up a whole new world of tools that can be integrated into your notes. Now, you can browse or search for available add-ins. Take your time reviewing the options presented to you. This step is essential because it allows you to find specific add-ins that can enhance your note-taking experience. Once you find an add-in you want to install, simply follow the prompts to add it to your OneNote. This integration process is seamless and reinforces the capabilities of your application. It's important to note that many popular OneNote extensions such as OneMore, OneTastic, and OneNote Gem are third-party add-ins. These must be downloaded separately rather than through Microsoft's built-in options. Understanding this separation is important because it can save you time and effort when looking for specific tools. Additionally, some add-ins are only compatible with the Windows desktop version of OneNote. They may not be available on Mac, Android, or iPhone/iPad. This compatibility issue is crucial to keep in mind as it influences your choice of add-ins based on your device. Finally, if you do not see a Get Add-ins or My Add-ins button in the desktop app, don't worry. This is expected for many current versions of the OneNote desktop application. Knowing this helps you avoid confusion and ensures you focus on the features available to you. With these steps, you're now equipped to find and manage add-ins in OneNote effectively.